Hello, my friend. Does it feel like your tailbone has been stuck inside a blender? Does it hurt every time you sit down? Then you may be suffering from tailbone pain. Don't worry, you are not alone. Coccyx has asked for a solution for this. Imagine how relaxed you are going to feel once you can sit comfortably. Let's get rid of the pain. Massage your palm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place palm in lower back and massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fist position and massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage as strong as you can. Don't worry. 3, 4, 5. Massage it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand in this position. Right hand behind your lower back and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand up and left hand on lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and stretch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time as you bend. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please bend all the way forward until you feel the stretch at your lower back. 4, 5. Stretch in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you rotate, please make a large circular motion. 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands onto the lower back and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are bending back enough, you will feel tension in your lower back. 3, 4, 5. Stretch back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down.